wanted to contribute to open source, but the code base looks like Mount Everest. I started with a simple diagram, no Rust or C++ required, and NVIDIA accepted it on their front page. What is NVIDIA Dynamo? It is the latest high-throughput, low-latency AI inference framework. It has a scheduler, KV-aware router, and accelerated data transfer, but the README didn't show how those components fit together. So I looked through the architecture. Each of the 5 components has a separate README, which was fantastic for deep dive, but challenging for beginners like me. Therefore, I take out my notebook and started scratching how those components fit together. I thought, what if my first pull request can be this diagram? Spoiler alert, yes, and you can do it too. To keep it simple, I opened PowerPoint, KV router on the top, refill worker on the left, KV cache within the GPU, a decode worker on the right. A pro tip is to keep the object less than 7 to keep the eyeballs happy. Select all, right click, save as picture. Now, how to drop it into the code base? Make sure you fork the repo, create a fork, and then you can download the code. Open README, find the top location you want to insert the image, use a bracket, select Dynamo diagram. Now Command-Shift-V to open the preview, and boom, your image appeared on the front page of Dynamo. Create a new branch, git push, set upstream origin, boom. Go back to the Dynamo page and see your pull request was appearing on the Dynamo because you forked it. Compare and create pull request, give a title. Now you can create a pull request. The PR bots will give a review, and then the maintainers will check and give some feedback. Finally, it will be merged to the main branch. Your image and diagram will appear. On the left was the old README. After was the additions I made of inserting 3 images. And you can do the same. The key takeaway were, find a pain point that you felt and others might felt it too. For example, pick a glossary such as disaggregation and then add a diagram to explain it. Finally, keep the pull request small. Single purpose, tiny difference, easy for maintainers to review. Grab your favorite open source project, fork the repo, and make a contribution. And you will become one of the contributors. If you want to see how to actually make a code contribution, please leave a comment. See you in the next video.